And our next guest for the day is founder and CEO of Alice Blue, Siddha Velayutham Mohan. He is running India's leading online stockbroking firm and has steered Alice Blue from a team of 10 people in 2006 to a pan-India company today. His vision is to transform his company as one of India's biggest financial facilitators. Listen in.
Running one of India's leading online stockbroking firms.
We are able to reach more number of investors or traders, and we are charging very less.
He has a special focus on risk management initiatives.
It is user friendly, so it is getting more popular among the millennials as well as to the common public as well.
Newsx India A-List proudly recognizes Siddha Velayutham M for excellence in finance and stock brokerage.
Hello and welcome. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on a brand new interview as part of our Newsx A-List series. We are in conversation today with M. Siddha Velayutham. He's founder and CEO, Alice Blue. Welcome to Newsx, sir. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thank you, Uday. Thanks so much.
Let me begin by asking you about how popular discount broking is, sir, in today's market in India.
Discount broking, in a sense that we can say it is a completely of tech-oriented now, which brings investments to the mobile. So easily now people can start investing through mobile itself. That's the way it goes, and so all the products like mutual funds or equities or commodities. Or derivative segments is concerned, or IPOs are concerned. So everything can be invested through mobile itself. That's the user friendliness which gives through discount broking. So discount broking in the sense that we are able to reach more number of investors or traders, and we are charging very less. We are charging 15 rupees per order. So that we are adding more people to adding more people to our kitty to serve them, so that we are charging less. So and as well as it is user friendly, so it is getting more popular among the millennials as well as to the common public as well. So so it's good for each and everyone to invest and get benefited. Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk now about your company, Alice Blue. What are the products and services you offer, and tell us a bit about Alice Blue.
So, Alice Blue, we are in the market from 2007, and we are member of Multi Commodity Exchange, a National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, as well as Central Depository Services Limited. So we provide for the clients to invest in equities, commodities trading, derivatives trading, as well as we provide mutual funds at a free of cost investments in mutual funds and equities and in IPOs as well. So that's the way we go. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
As a discount broker, though, now if we have to talk about the current trend. What's the current trend you're witnessing in the stock market of today?
Right. So it's a thing is that after pandemic situations, it has made more popular among the millennials as well as among the common public. That so as it came to the mobile, it is so user friendly that the people are looking at more returns, so they are able to understand that the difference between the savings and investments. So so now savings are more coming to less popular, and this one is coming to more popular. That so the people are able to know that they are getting more rewards in the investments in a long-term purpose, and millennials all are maximum started investing than savings. that's the way it goes, Uday.
Just talking now about the commodities market as well. How popular is the commodities market, and also how much growth can one expect after investing in it?
So, see, commodities as such, if you are saying that, so they can invest in gold mainly, or silver. Other than that, in online market, where the commodities are used as a trading products as of now, the contracts, it is basically of derivative contracts which are mainly popular over here, and the people who interested in trading in commodities, they can do well here.
Okay. We're also seeing of late a lot of big brands, go in for IPOs. Do you believe IPOs are a good investment opportunity?
So it will be a win-win situation, Uday. Because see, we have to clearly analyze which company will work for them. They have to clearly analyze the balance sheets or profit and loss and the future growth of the company clearly, and they have to go for investments. So people are using IPOs as a short-term investment, as well as they can use for long-term as well. So short-term means if they are there might be plus and minus in short terms, but if they are investing in long-term in a good companies, definitely the returns will be an enormous one.
Okay. We're also seeing of late a rise in investment in gold, and other similar instruments. What is leading to this popularity in trading circles, and how big is the gold trade in the country, if we were to ask you?
Uday, the gold is, we know that in India, completely gold are used mostly as ornaments, and our Indian women are always favored to gold. So now the trend goes is that, so now through MCX they can buy gold. They can go on buying and accumulating gold, and as in a demat format also. Whenever they want to make it physical, they can convert it as a physical form also. So they can start systematically investment. They can invest in gold as well. So that as already it is ornamental thing is happening, and also people are more favored towards that. And now there is a way for systematic investment of gold also in 1 gram or 2 grams also they can accumulate. So that's where the popularity goes. So automatically the investments goes in this way.
Okay. We've also seen a big boom in the stock market, of course, over the last year and a half. Is it a wise decision to invest in the market when it's at a high?
Yeah, definitely, Uday. See, if you are looking at a long-term basis, so it is we will not be able to time the market. Who are the experienced people can't time the market. So definitely you can go for investments in any highs also. Systematic investments, it will be a very good one to go. And for long term, it is anytime you can start investing. It is a good time to invest.
Okay. We're also seeing another trend. Interestingly, a lot of young investors, begin investing and enter the market. What is the reason behind this?
As we had discussed before that also, so now the young investors are able to differentiate the savings and the investments, and they are able to find that investments are more providing more returns. And thing is that so now the people they are coming to the job so early that they are having cash on hand so much that they are able to start investing for more returns on there.
Okay. And finally, I'll ask you a very practical question. On an average, what are the kind of returns one can expect from the stock market?
Definitely. In a long term, for example, if you are having a span of 10 years, now as India is a more young populated country, so if they are start investing in an early stage itself, so if they are looking for 10 to 15 years of span of time for their holding of investments, so definitely we can expect 10 to 15, more than 15% tax we can return we can expect, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining us and having this conversation today on NewsX. M. Siddha Velayutham, and wishing you and your team at Alice Blue all the very best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Uday. Thank you so much.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.